In 2005, I treated a severe crushed hand injury with 2 fingers detached. Though reattached at emergency, his hand is still in intense pain with just a flick of movement. In 1.5 months, with the help of BRS Microcurrent, I regenerated his hand back to normal with no scarring, full pain-free mobility, and full hand function. You cannot tell his hand was in such a traumatic injury 1.5 months ago. This is a wake-up call to the medical industry. Do not just chop off the diseased body parts and replace it with prosthesis. Nothing works as well as our own body if it can be regenerated. Like in the case of hip necrosis, bunion, varicose vein, or even loss of hearing, or even spinal cord injuries, with the proper stimulation signal, most of these conditions can be regenerated within a short period of time, like in 10 days. Hi, I'm Millie Ng. This is my special request. I would like to do R&D on this project to substantiate my claim. Please check my website www.bodyrejuvenationsystem.com. Thank you.